Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2012 BMW 7 Series 750i. It has a clean one-owner CARFAX and comes with power folding heated mirrors with memory, power soft close automatic doors, and much more. 19-inch light alloy wheels, run flat all-season tires, heated speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers, xenon auto-leveling adaptive headlights, and a turbocharged 8-cylinder with only 21,075 miles. Adaptive brake lights, the power trunk lid, the shark fin antenna, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated Nappa leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, 4-zone auto climate, a garage opener, a push-button start, a power leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and a 16-speaker high-fidelity sound system, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.